FabFitFun box has arrived. This is for fall 2019, and I'm really excited to see what surprises are inside. I didn't even request anything. I just am letting them surprise me. So, knife, please. Ta-da! Now we're gonna go ahead and see what is in my box. And oops, it's upside down. There we go. Let's see what we have inside. So first off, we get our magazine, which I'll look at later. We get coupons, and I've got a lot of these. Okay, I'm excited. Wow, what do we have this time? All right, first off, we've got in this little bag, it says the Kate Somerville exfoliating treatment. So probably something for your face. So cool, we'll try that. Next thing is, ooh, earrings. I like these. Look how cute those are. So they're the kind that they go across the bottom of your ear like that. I really do like these earrings. Super happy about that. Very good. Body Boost Gel. This is for, let's see. Oh, it's for workout. So before any workout, you apply to troubled areas where you get sore. So I guess it's kind of like a BioFreeze or like a Deep Blue from doTERRA. So that's kind of cool, like for sore muscles. And this is a juice cleanse. Sugar cubes. What is that? Just kidding, it's not really for juice. So you put it in the shower or bath, and it's like a sugar scrub. I know it says juice cleanse. You're not really juicing this stuff, it's sugar stuff. Very cool. Now I just wish I had a bathtub. Next thing is, ooh, eye masks. So you put these on your eyes for when you have like baggies under your eyes, I guess. So you put them under here, and it's supposed to help with your eyeballs. So that's a new product I haven't tried before. Very good. Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Yes, I love this kind of stuff. So you put it in your hair after you shampoo your hair, and so it's just going to be like a leave-in conditioner treatment. So I'm really going to like that. What's this one? A body souffle from a new brand I haven't heard of before.
This sounds like a restaurant meal.
Yeah, souffle, it's a dessert. So let's smell it. I'm just kidding, it's like packaged, you can't smell. All right, what's this one? Detox. What is this one? Oh, it's just for like your skin, your face. So they're like these little pads, you can wash your face with them. It's got a lot of stuff. You don't rinse it off, you just put it on your skin, and it's supposed to improve your complexion. So that brand is Nassif MD Dermaceuticals. So I haven't heard of that before. What else we got in here? Don't tell me that's all. Oh, I'm so excited for more. Well, my love, that's all my Christmas present for September.
Christmas for September.
Yeah. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in this month's box. So my favorite ones are the earrings and the leave-in conditioner. I'm excited for that. And I'm gonna try, what's this one again? Like some kind of face wash stuff. So those I'm really excited for. So lots of beauty products, which are fun for me, and I like it. So thanks for watching. I don't know what else is out there for these boxes, but I'll leave my code in there if you want to get your first box for $15 off and see what kind of beauty supplies they send you. So thanks guys, bye.